Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Rainbow Six Siege and you keep getting this error, synchronization failed, with the error code failed to synchronize data for cross-platform, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix the synchronization failed error on Rainbow Six Siege easily. So first off, you're going to go to your Rainbow Six Siege directory. So the default directory should be in your C drive, program files 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then here Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege. You're going to open it up and then you're going to go into BattleEye, and then you'll have this file called uninstall battleye.bat. You're just going to open this file up and uninstall BattleEye from your computer. After that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer, and once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open Steam up, and then you're going to launch Rainbow Six Siege. And when you launch Rainbow Six Siege, it will reinstall the BattleEye anti-cheat on your computer, and you will not get that synchronization failed error anymore because BattleEye will be reinstalled now. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.